Ever wondered how AI could revolutionize the way you work, create, or even think about solutions? What if I told you that the key to unlocking this revolutionary power lies within your reach, through something called GPTs? Today we're diving into the world of custom generative pre-trained transformers, or GPTs, and how you can tailor them to not just meet but exceed your specific needs. Whether for personal projects or scaling a business, this introduction is your first step into a future shaped by AI. Imagine having an AI so specific to your needs. It feels like it was created just for you. With the latest advancements, setting up your own ChatGPT has never been easier or more accessible. From productivity boosters to creative muses, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? This is not just for tech wizards. With just a few ready-made templates, you can start right away, customizing for exceptional results. Currently, this groundbreaking feature is exclusive to Enterprise and ChatGPT Plus users. But don't let that hold you back. The doors to the future are open for everyone. But wait, isn't this just the same old tech in a new package? Not quite. Let's debunk some myths and highlight how custom instructions are revolutionizing the way we interact with AI. While we won't be diving into a live demo today, let's paint a picture of what's possible. Imagine an AI tailored for healthcare professionals, offering diagnosis support, or a custom GPT designed for educators, creating personalized learning experiences. The potential is limitless. Custom GPTs are not just about automation. They're about enhancing human capability, creativity, and decision-making. With the ability to customize, you can create an AI that understands your specific challenges and goals, making it a powerful tool in your arsenal. Let's explore some applications. From streamlining business operations to unlocking new creative avenues in content creation, the applications of GPTs are as diverse as they are transformative. As we look to the future, the evolution of GPT technology promises even more personalized and impactful solutions. Whether it's enhancing customer service or driving innovation in product development, the journey is just beginning. Ready to start your journey with custom GPTs? Begin by exploring the available templates and envisioning how a custom GPT could revolutionize your work or life. The future isn't just about embracing technology, it's about making it yours. Start your journey with custom GPTs today and unlock potentials you never knew existed. And if you're ready, hit that subscribe button. What will you create?